Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Clinton County in northern New York, northeastern Franklin County in northern New York, until 5:30 p.m.
At 2:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen.
Rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in
3 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5
to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas.
Small creeks and streams.
5:30 p.m. At 2:21 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain.
Low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding.
Warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bryant Mill, Burke, Chateaugay, Merrill, Malone, Churubusco, Earlville, Owl's Head, Brainerdville, Chasm Falls, Burke Center, Whitlaville, Wolf Pond, Harrigan, Standish, North Burke, and Duane Center. This includes the following streams and drainages: East Branch St. Regis River, Willow Creek, Slope 21, East Branch Deer Creek, Tate Brook, Chaviky River, Slope 20, Branch Brook, Cold Brook, Fulling Brook, Duane Stream, Fishbowl Outlet, DeBar Brook, Middle Branch Trout River, Little Trout River, Thurber Brook, East Branch Little Salmon River, Trout River, Little Salmon River, Collins Brook, Slope 23, Slope 12, North Branch Saranac River, Allen Brook, Brandy Brook, Ingraham Stream, Crandall Brook, Snake Brook, Boardman Brook, Cove Brook, Deer River, East Branch Trout River, North Branch Great Chazy River, Salmon River, and Hatch Brook. Turn around. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for North. Water rescues, in addition to numerous road closures, are ongoing. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Clinton County in northern New York, northeastern Franklin County in northern New York, until 6:15 p.m. At 3:13 p.m., Emergency Management reported heavy rain across the warned area. Swift water rescues, in addition to numerous road closures, are ongoing. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 3 hours. Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Altona, Allenburg Depot, Lion Mountain, Allenburg, Alder Bend, Allenburg Mountain, Irona, Minor Lake State Park, Allenburg Center, Cannon Corners, Chazy Lake, and Moores Forks. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.